These fields are in bloom until the end of February. So in case you want to see this, you still have plenty of time to enjoy. Good morning. It's the 1st of January and for me it became a tradition to do an early morning bicycle ride on the 1st. And the reason why I love to do these bicycle rides is because this is the least busy day of the year traffic wise, and that's just because everybody's sleeping. So the perfect time to go around. I'm here in the Ploen Chit area and I'm on my way to the Phupa Park and I'm gonna show you the sunflowers. This is a perfect time to look back on what happened in the past year. I would say the top 3 things that we did were 3 trips. First of all, we went to Egypt, visited the pyramids, and the videos about this trip are gonna be online within now and the next couple of weeks. I have time to edit everything now. Then the second thing I would say was our trip to Khao Sok, where we stayed in the 500 Rai resort. I will put a link to the video that we made there. And then the third one definitely was the trip that I did with my brother down south, where we visited Koh Lipe, Koh Kradan and Koh Nai. So I hope this year is going to bring us a lot of travel as well. There are definitely more cars around than in previous years. We're here at Central World, which was the site of the big New Year celebrations last night. See, always after these big festivals you have the cleanups. You know, I have to go uphill and I have my bike in low gear, so it's not the easiest thing to do, as you can hear from the bus as well. Weather-wise, it's quite fresh, which is nice. This is the best part of the year. The most difficult part in traffic is always these buses. And even if there's not too much traffic, the buses go full speed. So our expectations for 2024 are actually quite good. Our business is doing well. We've managed to go more into sales Tomorrow I'm gonna film a 300 million baht apartment, which the video you will see very soon, and I'm excited about that. The good thing about 2023 was that this was the first year that we had absolutely no hindrance of COVID. All the tourists were able to just come to Thailand, and we were happy to see you guys here. And I've been doing a couple of meetups, and there will be 2 more meetups this year. One on the 6th of January, which is the coming Saturday, and one on the 3rd of February. You know, on a day like this, you can even safely bike the roundabout here of the Victory Monument. The one origin Sanampao. This is the budget bureau. This is always a perfect time to discover new buildings and see updates regarding the constructions here in the city. So this is called the rice building, and the reason is because it looks like a kernel of rice. It's a bit windy here, so I'm almost at my destination, and it's actually quite easy to reach these parks. You can go to the Ploen Chit BTS station or the Chatuchak Park MRT station. So first I want to give an update regarding the new Phupa Park, and I went there last year and it was not ready yet. And then after that I'm gonna go to the Fai Park and show you the sunflowers. So this is a part of the new park. Okay, it looks fully functional and open. Very different from the park that I went last year. There's a bird watchtower here in the park. Okay, this park definitely is fully open now. And as you can hear, full of life. So this is a bird watchtower, but I already noticed that it's closed. You cannot go in here. You know, this is one of the reasons why I love this city so much. You have these really busy areas with traffic and everything, and then they created parks like this, which are perfect for doing exercise. Nice bridge here. So on this side I can get out again, and then on my way to the Fai Park. So the PM 2.5 is 43, which is not bad for Bangkok. So let's go and ride along. This is a famous bicycle park. This is the Fai Park, and if you want to see the sunflowers, you just have to go straight here. If you like jeu de boule or pétanque, you can do that here as well. So here you have the sunflower fields, and this is a perfect space if you want to get some peace and quiet. You can sit here. Anyway, let's check out the sunflowers. So these fields are in bloom until the end of February. So in case you want to see this, you still have plenty of time to enjoy. Yeah, and this is definitely one of those things that you wouldn't expect in Bangkok, right? And this is in the middle of the Fai Park, and the reason they call it Fai Park is because this used to be a golf course that was owned by the SRT. Well, this is actually the perfect backdrop for the final part of this video. I hope you enjoyed my first video of 2024. Well, actually it's the second video of 2024. If you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about what's going on in Bangkok, we will be here. I will be filming. Anyway, see you guys in my next video.